Hello everyone, let us see today how to evaluate indefinite integrals. Let's consider this integral x to the power 4 minus x cube by 2 plus x by 4 minus 2 whole thing into dx. So if you know the list of formula in integration, it is very easy. So it is actually integral x to the power 4 dx, right? Integral x cube dx, integral x dx, integral 2 dx. That is the meaning, right? So integral x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We know. Let us use that formula. Integral x power 4 dx is x power 5 by 5. And this negative sign, take 1 by 2 outside integration. Integral x cube is x power 4 by 4. Already there is 2, so it is 8 plus integral x dx, which is x squared by 2. Already there is 8. So it is x squared by 8. Integral 2 dx. 2 is constant, take outside. Integration of dx is x plus constant of integration c, which is the value of the integral, right? Answer of the given integral, indefinite integral, right? And let us see another problem. Integral u plus 4 into 2u plus 1 whole thing into du. Integrate with respect to u. Okay. So let us multiply these two before integration. Let us multiply u into 2u, which is 2u square. U into 1, which is u. 4 into 2u, which is 8u. Plus 4 into 1, which is 4. Whole thing into du. It can be simplified. 8u plus u is 9u. First you simplify, then you integrate. Otherwise you integrate, then you simplify. So you can take 2 outside. It's 2u square du, 9u du, 4 du. So we have to integrate each term. When you integrate first u square, we will get u cube by 3 because integral x to the power n formula. It is c 2u cube by 3. Take 9 outside being constant. Integration of u du is u square by 2. Integration of 4 du is 4u. Take 4 outside. Integral du is u. Plus constant of integration c. Okay. Let us see a problem of another model. Integral a power x plus integral 3 secant squared x minus 2 cos hx dx. Integrate this. So first you should know thoroughly the formula. If the list of formula is known, it is very easy to integrate. So integral a power x dx is a power x by log a. And integral c3 is constant, take out. Integration of secant squared x dx is tan x. Integration of cos hx is sin hx. Integration of cos hx is sin hx. Plus constant of integration. If you want, you add plus c. Otherwise, if you want, you can add c. Otherwise, you simply leave it. It is understood. Okay. It is an indefinite integral. It is understood. And next comes a problem. Integral tan square x minus cot square x whole thing into dx. So integral tan square x. There is no such formula in our list. Integral tan square x dx. There is no such formula. There is no such formula with integral cot square x dx. Integral tan square x dx, integral cot square x dx. There is no formula. So we have to think for a method. So we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. That is tan square x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. Right? Similarly, 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant squared x. Or cot square x is equal to cosecant squared x minus 1. So let us substitute these two in here. We know integration of secant squared x dx, right? Which is tan x. We know integration of cosecant squared x dx, which is cot x, right? Minus cot x or cot x there. Let us see. It is integral Let us write secant squared x minus 1. Integration of cot squared x is cosecant squared x minus 1. Everything into dx. Okay. Integral secant squared x minus 1. Let us multiply this negative sign. Let us multiply this negative sign. Okay. It is integral secant squared x dx. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancel. Integration of secant squared x dx is tan x. And we have negative sign here. Integration of cosecant squared x is cot x plus constant of integration.